Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's evening where I am. Ford here from Ford's Tool Reviews. Today we're going to be doing a part 2 test of the 7/16 Pittsburgh pass-through flex head combination wrench. We're going to start with the box end and move our way to the ratchet. This is a 7/16 wrench that we're using, same as usual. I mean, it works. It really does work. This is actually easier to use than my, what's it called? My Essentials adjustable wrench. Just pretend I'm working on an engine block when I'm working on this. For those of you who are mechanically inclined. Alright, let me make sure I'm turning this the correct way. Now we're going to do the ratcheting part. Now something that can be said right off the bat for this tool. It can be flexed. Is it weird if I say that this actually makes a better wrench than the wrench that they sell over at Harbor Freight? This is easy to put on and take off. I am going to get a tripod for my camera, I swear. And for some reason, now when I bought this thing, the ratcheting mechanism was just, it didn't want to ratchet very well. Probably got some stuff inside of it. I'm not sure quite what it was. I'm afraid to ask Harbor Freight what it was. I don't think they even know what it was. So yeah, if you put it right here and you use it like this, trying to use this as a swing is not going to work at all. I'm sorry. That's not going to do anything. Now the box end on this one isn't that bad. But the ratcheting, which is why people buy this, you can't do it with one hand. Now maybe with two hands you can do it. But I'm going to give this thing a fair shake and just go ahead and... I know a lot of people are going to be saying, you should have just brought your other ratchet down here to tighten that. Yeah, I really should have. So, give me a couple of seconds to get this thing all the way down. Wish I had that speed through. Biggest problem is also trying to get this stupid clamp to work. Okay, so it's tall enough. We're going to go ahead and loosen it right here. Now I'm going to tighten it. Wow. Ooh. Come on. Something I am noticing. It is working. But the fear that I had with this thing Now they claim you can go 90 degrees on this. I'm probably not going to be able to do that right here, but most people are going to buy it for this. I can try to do that, I guess. By the way, this nut is going to be chewed up after I get done, so won't be using this fastener anymore. See, I'm running into the very same problem. That's my computer right there in the shop. That's not good. I'm doing this all on camera, holding one hand on the camera, one hand off. But is this thing completely useless? No, I don't. I think if you're taking stuff like, what's that? Some metric or SAE spark plugs, and you have to have leverage, then yeah, I could see you using one of these. Totally. I could definitely see someone using one of these if they had that metric or SAE spark plug in their car. I could see you using this if you work on wood and you're using the bolts that I'm using, but you're not using a vise. My video really wasn't that helpful on this, but it's something to think about. Are these worth $23? Well, that's really up to you to decide. Do you think $23 is better than $60+ like the guys sell over at Husky? For me, I'm going to go ahead and answer honestly yes for what it is. So, I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Take care.